Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is OBAAPA Kitchen, guys. As you can see today, if you are planning on going for a trip, this is the best recipe for you. You can use it as snacks. Okay, Ghana Bofrot is good, it's tasty, it's fluffy, it's crunchy, guys. That is what you need. So today we are going to make Ghana Bofrot. Guys, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. First, you will need all-purpose flour. You can get this flour from anywhere near you, okay? Second, we are going to use sugar. You need white sugar or brown sugar, anything of your choice. And also, we are going to need dry yeast. You can get this yeast everywhere, okay, guys? And don't forget your nutmeg. This is about half teaspoon of nutmeg. And also, we are going to add about a half or a pinch of salt. Let's say a pinch because you don't need a lot of salt in the Bofrot. So now I added about 2 cups of warm water. As you can see, I'm testing the water to make sure it's the right temperature. So now I am going to add about 3 teaspoons of dry yeast. Yeah, make sure you add it. And also don't forget to add about a half teaspoon of sugar. The reason why I'm adding sugar is going to help the yeast rise faster. So that is the secret behind it. So add about half teaspoon of sugar and give it a very nice stir. Mix everything together. Yeah. And guys, after you are done, set it aside for about 10 minutes. Now in a clean bowl, I am adding about 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That is what I am using. I'm not gonna make a lot, so yeah. And add up your salt. This is about a pinch of salt, and I'm going to use a tablespoon to add about 4 teaspoons of sugar. And don't forget about your nutmeg. It is about a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix everything very well using your own hands, and then we are going to add the yeast because it's about 10 minutes so far. So guys, since I have about 2 cups, I am not going to use all of it. I found out I am not going to use all of it, so I use about, let's say, 1.5 cup of the yeast. So make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very nice, okay? And then we are going to use a very nice and clean plastic wrap, and then we are going to use it to cover it. Guys, use plastic wrap, and it's very good. And also for the best result, guys, you can do this like at night and then leave it in the morning, and you see that it is going to rise very nice, and it's going to double in size perfectly. So let's say you can do it overnight as well. And now after 45 minutes, we leave it there for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we are going to open it, and you see a little bubble will come out from your mixture. You see the Bofrot, this is somewhat like a bubble stuff. That is what you need. That is what it tells you that the yeast is working very well. So now I have my oil. It is very nice and really hot. Don't put your hands in there. I'm just testing to make sure it is hot enough. So we are going to start doing the fun part. Add your Bofrot. Yeah, we are going to start frying this Bofrot. Bofrot is here. Like if you are going on a trip, you know what I mean, guys. This is the perfect snacks for you. Okay, you don't want to eat outside. You feel like you want to take something little with you. This will be a perfect. And plus, if your kids are going to school, you can add this little Bofrot in their bag and for them to have it as snacks, you know, so they won't envy people's food. You know what I mean, guys? Yes. So now we are going to allow it to fly, and as you can see, this as soon as you add this Bofrot, you put in the oil, it just comes up right away. It jump on up, bam, solo. That is what you need. If your Bofrot does not come up, it means something is wrong somewhere. Yeah, so now we are going to let it fly until it is done. And also this is the last batch. Yeah, I'm gonna fry the last batch, and I'll let you guys know when it's all done. Ooh. Ooh, it's looking very good. Ha! Love this Bofrot. Ooh. Yes, finally, this Bofrot is done. Guys, with this Bofrot, you can enjoy with your hot chocolate, your tea, your mpampa. Look at how soft it is, guys. This Bofrot is good for your grandpa, okay, or your grandma who do not have teeth and still they feel like they want to have a little bite of Bofrot. Just give the soft part to them. They are going to love it. They're going to lick it and then enjoy it. And for those who like this crispy part, that one that you're seeing right now is very crispy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And also those who are new, I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And those who have been there so far, I love you. You are so dear to me, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and I hope on show Bibiala. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye guys.